Hey mathletes, it's me. I am back again with another math video. Today I'm going to go over I think numbers 2 and 4 from the homework. All right, just because this one was a little bit tricky. A little extra added detail that we're going to talk about tomorrow in class. So there are 4 terms. We factor out any GCF. All right, there's no GCF for the whole thing, so we're just going to split it up into our 2 and 2 groups. The GCF between 12x cubed and 2x squared is going to be 2x squared. So I'm just going to write that down, 2x squared. Now we're dividing it. Don't forget your GCF will go out front, 2x squared. And on the inside, we're going to have our result from our division. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Subtract your exponent, so we're going to have 3 minus 2, which is x to the first. And then this, everything will just shoop, cancel. 6x plus 1 is there in the parentheses. All right, so do the same thing with this group. Now, little tricky thing. When this first term is negative, you have to make your GCF negative. So your GCF should be negative 5. Wonder if anybody figured that out. But if you didn't, I wouldn't blame you. So negative 5 is the GCF. And again, that's because your first term in this group is negative. If the first term in this group is negative, this would be negative. So we have 6x and then plus 1. So we're going to take our common factor of 6x plus 1. So you notice it's here and here. And we're going to divide each term by the common binomial factor. Copy that over again, over here, because writing is too hard. And now we're going to cancel that out because it is gone. We're dividing it out, but the GCF will always go out front, and that is the constant binomial. Did I say constant? I mean common. What am I talking about? And then the pieces that are in front will make up your second binomial. So this is our answer for number 2. That is the ugliest box I've ever seen, but this is your answer. Now remember, to use this method, you have to have the same binomial. So I'm going to go ahead and factor each pair of binomials by GCF. And this is the first one. GCF was 7h squared. Let's do the second one. And this is the second one. The GCF was 8. So now 7h minus 5 and 7h minus 5 appear as our common factor. So we're going to factor that out from both terms, 7h minus 5, and then divided by 7h minus 5. So since this is our GCF, that's going to go out front, 7h. And our second parentheses is going to be what is left over, which is 7h squared plus 8. All right, so this is our final answer. All right, let's just pretend that box didn't happen. All right, guys, have a great night, and thanks for watching.